friends and family. I am at, sorry, I have my coffee, the Swan and Dolphin Resort, and I thought of this morning because I never see like any information about Swan and Dolphin, like, you know, about when staying at Disney. At least I don't see very much of it. So we've stayed here. This is our third time, and we really like it for the price and like the affinity. You're so close to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Sorry, this music. Good morning. Pool's open at 6 a.m. Supposedly, that's what they say. So I am taking my coffee and I am going to have a little swim in the pool, maybe head over to the hot tub. We have a view of the pool from our room. One of the pools, there's two pools. One at the Swan and one at the Dolphin. The one at the Dolphin is the, like, you know, one for cool kids with a waterfall and like all that kind of stuff. The one over here is more like a lap pool, kind of like chillaxed. And then there's a hot tub, which that's what I'm going to because I could see that no one was there. So I'll show you our room. So our room is probably right there. It's in this little inlet. So we get a really good view of the pool over here. And then Hollywood Studios is like right there. Just me, myself, and the hot tub. It is, I think it's 8 o'clock. This is the time to come. Oh my gosh, this view. This bathing suit is from Amazon. You can see the whole thing. High-waisted, super cute. It was really cheap. I'll link it on my Like to Know It page. I'll put the link down in the description below as well. It has like a bunch of different colors. If this exact one's not available, I know there's one that's like, there's some that are very similar that I've seen. I got it from my bachelorette party and we didn't end up having a pool day, but at the end of the day that we were at the parks, we got in the giant bathtub. We were staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge at the villas, and so we got bubble bath from Disney Springs the day before and had a bikini bubble bath in the hot tub, and it was really fun. It's just about 8:30 right now, and we're right, oh, you can't see. So we're right outside of the Dolphin on this side of the giant pool, and no one's on this side. So I'm going to take a quick dip before I leave and head up to get ready for the day. But so there's the Dolphin right to the right. There are just a handful of people. I walked from over there. There's just a handful of people in this side of the pool / just like lounging. I think people are coming to like hold their spots, but I just wanted to go in the water, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is basically my own private pool, which is exactly what I wanted. And it's early in the morning, so I don't think anyone else has even been in here, so it feels good. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the rest of the pool. Park day at Magic Kingdom. Now we're over at Epcot. I just walked back to drop off our stuff. It is walking distance. That's why the Swan and Dolphin is so great. It's in the same vicinity as the Boardwalk and the Yacht and Beach, which are both walking distance from Epcot, and Hollywood Studios, which I always still call MGM. This is a weird background. But I was gonna give you a room tour before I head back real quick. So I'm gonna show you what the room looks like. So you can see my little, I gotta have my rainbow shelf with me everywhere, all my skincare and stuff. They have 2 mirrors with fabulous lighting, I must say. Shower, sorry, all my stuff is hanging in here. Just your average like toilet shower situation. Beautiful mirror, lovely lighting. I love this little shelf, as well as like shelves down here for storing all of your stuff. Especially like skincare for me. That way it doesn't have to like roll around all in one, you know, in place. And then there's a second mirror right across the way, which makes it really helpful when getting ready with 2 or more people. A lovely little magnifying mirror, which I have yet to use. This is my little mom station. This is my station. And then just, again, standard issue closet. And we got 2 double beds. We're staying in a room with a balcony. I turned on it so they have a YouTube app that you don't get the Disney, you know, beautiful station that you get at the resorts here. So I turned on YouTube and I got a park resort TV loop playing. So you get the vibe. You do what you can do to get the vibe. Double beds, lots of room. This was nice because I had to work a little bit, so I had a little like desk area, but I actually did most of my work out on this balcony, which is amazing. So this is our little balcony. You can see Hollywood Studios over there, which is my favorite. You can see also the hotel pool. This is really nice, really spacious. We've had drinks out here. I worked out here. I spent most of our time at the hotel out here, and I think it is so worth it, especially to be in walking distance from that. And then Epcot is right over there. So that's our little room. It's delightful. I believe it was $180. I'll double check. We're up in Ohio, so it's decently chilly, so we want to spend as much time out in the like warmth as we can. But especially with COVID, we wanted to make sure that we could be socially distant and not around crowds of people. So having this outdoor space was so worth it. And especially like I wake up at 5 just naturally. I know people roll their eyes at me, but I wake up at 5, so it was nice for me to have a space that was like outdoors. I could go sit out here. I could drink my coffee and look at Hollywood Studios. It's just such a blessing. So now I'm gonna let my phone charge a little bit more and I'm gonna walk back to Epcot and I'll take you guys with me. Yeah, I need to show you my outfit of the day. This is outfit number 3. I got my hat from Bucks Lunch, Free People crop. I just bought this today. This little, oh, can you see it? This little dainty rose gold ears necklace. I think I'm gonna buy another dainty necklace to layer them. Fanny pack is from probably a trip in the 90s. These are old from Target, also from Target. I'll try and link everything. The only thing I don't know that I'll be able to link is this, and obviously this because it's old, but I'll try and link everything because I feel cute. So this is my cash last night at Disney. Let's go drink at Epcot outfit. Okay, it is 7:28 now and we're starting our walk. We'll see how long it takes to get. Okay, so the nice thing is when you're staying at Swan and Dolphin, behind me, you have 2 options. You can go down the boardwalk side or you can go down the Yacht and Beach Club side. I think the Yacht and Beach Club is like slightly quicker when we're at the Dolphin because the Swan's over here, a little bit closer to the boardwalk. I'm pointing and you can't see. Oh my gosh, my phone is gonna die. So I hope I can get you all the rest of the way there. But what's nice is you're so close to both of those resorts that we've just kind of been treating the Swan and Dolphin as if we're staying at a Disney resort. There's not a lot of Disney details here, which, you know, if you're used to a Disney resort, it's a little bit of a bummer, but you're walking distance from both boardwalk and Yacht and Beach. So we've been walking and getting Mickey waffles every morning at the yacht club. So we get that Disney feel, you know, right here within walking distance. And this hotel is just such a different price than those hotels. So I think it's much more affordable than those hotels. So you can stay here, walk yourself over to the Disney resorts and feel like you're staying there for probably half the price. So for us, it's really worth it. And I think especially for this last minute trip, it's been really helpful. So this is what I was talking about. So you can also take this boat, which is nice, but I think it takes a little bit longer. I don't have the patience to wait. I would rather walk and have the power in my own hands. So right over here is the boardwalk, as you can see. Right over here is the boardwalk. And then here, this path is taking me to the on beach. I'm about to get wet. Okay, we are just about at the back gate of Epcot. It is 7:40 p.m. Nice, easy little walk. Good morning, friends. Oh, the music is way louder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, there we go. Less crazy music. I Good morning, friends. I am taking you on my morning walk for coffee. Yes, I put on ears to get coffee and no makeup because this is the accessory you need in Disney World. I'm over at the Swan. We're actually staying at the Dolphin, which is across the way. It's like a 4 or 5 minute walk across the way, maybe. I've never timed it, but really, really close. And I'm gonna get coffee at the Java Bar at Swan because I just like the vibe. They actually have Mickey waffles, but we're gonna go to Yacht and Beach Club today because it's our last day, so we want to be like on Disney property, but I'm gonna go get some coffee first. Breakfast at the beach club and walked back all the way around, said goodbye to Epcot, and because you can walk right past it, and then went shopping at the boardwalk, got a couple last minute souvenirs, and headed back here. Now we're just chilling on our balcony until we have to leave. So we love this place. It's such a great place to stay. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment. I'll let you guys know. We've seen it here a bunch of times and we love it. And have a magical day.